has time for that, right? My name is Valley Val. I am here to show you something completely different that I haven't seen on YouTube. It pretty much is me tying mental health with fashion. I myself have seen myself in a huge journey with mental awareness. I finally checked myself into therapy, and it has opened up my mind to so many different types of things within myself, within my past, which is great. And openly coming out and being gay at a very young age really defined who I am today. Nobody gave me instructions on how to feel, how to deal with the rest of the world, how to dress. Nobody gave me instructions on how to dress. And, you know, the reason why I bring fashion into this is because I feel when you step out into that world, you feel some type of way when you feel like you look good on the outside. When people compliment you, you feel good. It gives you what I call confidence boosters. I want to get you to that. I want to help you build the confidence, and I also want to help you build your closet. Can't lose there, right? So I really want to make sure before you go out there that I send you looking stylish. And I'm going to go ahead and do a complete U-haul, a closet U-haul as they call them. Hopefully you like what you see and you subscribe down at the bottom. Stay tuned. Here we go. You can see I chose a Chelsea boot style, a little bit more on the cowboy looking-ish side. I got these from Zara on sale, which was really great. Super comfortable, love the zipper on the side. Great for any occasion if you want to dress up or dress down. And then I chose the classic Air Force One. This for me has always been one of my go-tos, high top and low top. I've been rocking these since I was in, for sure, junior high. Very cool shoe. Now, you don't have to choose these colorways. You can most definitely choose a different type of white shoe. Maybe you're...
Causing waterfalls, stone walls, bar brawls, common stalls at concert halls. To you they crawl, body sprawl, smoking palm malls, close calls, stand tall, doll, you make them feel so small. And they love it!
Particular time when I was growing up, it was difficult for me to be in the men's department. I got a lot of stares, a lot of looks, you know, and I felt embarrassed, I felt shamed by other people, and I had to learn, like for me, it was like, this is clothes, eye gouging, looks and stuff like that from people, which again, it can mess with you a little bit sometimes, and you have to learn how to brush off that type of poison negativity. You know, you have to tell yourself, this is my life, this is my body, this is how I feel comfortable, this is how I show myself, I love myself. When you make this choice to go out there in the world and represent who you really are, you're freaking brave. Like, I applaud you. It is a challenge for all of us to actually come out here and really say, this is who I am. So, and again, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to be gay, you don't have to be transgender, you're a human being. You as well have every right to say, I love me, this is what I want to wear, this is how I want to dress. It doesn't matter how bizarre it seems to everybody else, it means something to you. So, just go ahead and follow me on this little journey of mental health and fashion. Let's put those together and create something that I think you guys will enjoy.